More than 400 people in 4 states have been sickened by a mysterious Cyclospora outbreak, and investigators are still scrambling to identify the contaminated food responsible. The CDC is warning that the actual number of cases is likely much higher, and they're urging anyone with symptoms to seek medical care right away. This is a classic example of how quickly a foodborne illness can spread, and it highlights the importance of swift action by public health officials to track down the source and contain the outbreak. The fact that the CDC is still searching for the culprit means that the risk of further spread is still very real, and it's crucial that consumers are aware of the symptoms, which can include diarrhea, weight loss, and stomach cramps. The implications of this outbreak are far-reaching, and it's a reminder of the complex and often fragile nature of our food supply chain. As the investigation continues, it's likely that we'll learn more about how this outbreak occurred and what steps can be taken to prevent similar incidents in the future. For now, though, the focus is on finding the source and getting those affected the medical care they need. Moving on, scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery about the link between a common gut bacterium and colon cancer, which could pave the way for new therapies to prevent inflammation in tumors. Researchers have finally solved the mystery behind how a bacterial toxin associated with colorectal cancer damages the colon. It turns out that the toxin first binds to a receptor called Claudin-4, giving it access to attack the cell's protective barrier. By identifying this weak point, the team was able to design a decoy protein that successfully blocked the toxin in mice. This breakthrough could have significant implications for our understanding of colon cancer and how to prevent it. The fact that the team was able to design a decoy protein that works in mice is a major step forward, and it suggests that we may be on the cusp of a new era in colon cancer prevention. Meanwhile, an unlikely hero has emerged in the fight against cancer, a pet gecko that naturally develops aggressive tumors. Scientists have found that the tumors in this gecko share key genetic changes with human cancers, offering a rare opportunity to study the disease as it develops naturally. This could be a game-changer for cancer research, as it would allow scientists to study the progression of tumors in a living creature, rather than just in a lab dish. It's a reminder that nature is full of surprises, and that even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to unlocking new discoveries. In other news, a new study has found that chewing bubblegum after eating beetroot may help lower blood pressure. It sounds like a strange combination, but the science behind it is fascinating. The nitrates in beetroot are converted into beneficial nitrite when they're chewed, and the bubblegum helps to stimulate this process. The result is a temporary drop in blood pressure, which could have significant implications for cardiovascular health. And finally, researchers have discovered that a microscopic skeleton inside brain cells acts as a gatekeeper, controlling what the cells absorb and when. This could be a major breakthrough in the fight against Alzheimer's disease, as it suggests that stabilizing this structure could help prevent brain cell damage. As we wrap up today, researchers are one step closer to understanding the complex interplay between our brains, our guts, and our overall health, and tomorrow we'll explore how a new class of medications could revolutionize the treatment of mental health disorders.